Okay, so now let's look at USD CAD. I'm short as much as I can on the USD CAD, expecting a very nice uh, leg on the downside. We have been short since there, and I am short now from this stop due to what we had as reading. We had some reading here showing we could pull back strongly with a very strong setup there, here on the Emax, on the RS6, and on the dynamic price indicator. So all that was telling us we would have a nice ride on the downside, and it's not finished. So we have two options now, and that's depend on how the market will react. As I said already, and as I show already, we have done this move. We are pulling back, and then we could see a continuation from there. That's the first option. The second option is that we would, we would bounce higher or to this level there, and go lower from there, or even, to a higher level, which would be in this case the 61.8 here, which is the place where I would love to see it, if that would be possible. So this area is really a fantastic area to get short. If we could, we would take stop of those short here, and we would bounce back on the 61.8 on that ABC up. So that's really what I'm looking at now. So knowing that we can pull back, or we can look lower anytime, I am just looking right now at this little double top on the 15-minute time frame, this one that we have there, which is right on the 80 inside fibs, which is a nice place where we could see push down. So it's a little bit tricky, but I am short from the top. I am long from here at 127. I banked 1/3 there already. And at the same time, I took a short right now at 127.22 exactly, and with a very tight stop on this short ad. It's a big one, but very tight stop on the short ad, because with this double top and with the signal we had a short signal, we had another short signal here. And if we are still unfolding, we are still in this big down bearish setup. But if we unfold now, if we won't look for the 61.8 right now, we could see a leg lower, and then probably a bounce to look for the 61.8, which we should look at, but we never know. It could happen that we never look at it. It's depends on how the market makers will want to trap people. So that's what I wanted to show right now, is this area here with the double top. You see this very nice 1 hour double top, which could be a good place to see a continuation or to see another leg and bounce. We have to be ready for everything with this USD CAD, like the others, and with end of year moves, it can be even more complicated. If we look at the same time a little bit at the Dixie, we see that we are on the 1140 fib inside fib here. So that is another reason why I took this little short on the USD CAD at the same time, and I took a little long ad on the Euro USD at the same time, because that confluence of information could make a place where on the London Open we could look for a continuation on the downside on the Dixie, meaning downside on the USD CAD and upside on the Euro USD. Then we have all those levels. As I said, this will be the next big area to look at if we go on the upside. And if we go there, that would be very, very beautiful to be able to get short here, or even better if we would break those high and go there inside the end of year. So that's where we are. We have all the level here on the chart, and we will play them with our indicator setup.